Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Mermaid Man on Dress to Impress. I am gender bending it because some items I can't wear, like the mask body. I think I can't wear this shell top. I'm not sure actually, but I like this a little bit better, so I'm just going to be removing everything except for the ones I did make adjustments on, which is just the belt and the flower. So I used the flower for the nose. I used this color A28 to E0, positioned the Y to 0.43, Z 0.48, rotated the X to 0.46, Y to 0.58, and scaled it to 0. For the hair, I used this hair in just all white. And then I use this top because it's the only top that can like fit without really it protruding. So select smooth and color it this color, FF853D. Grab these shorts and color it this color, 1F4B3C in smooth. And then also get this one from the Valentine's Day one in black. Then I am going to get this and color it this color, 1 4FB3C, and then the same for the gloves as well in short and no fur. For the belt, I used a VIP item in E0F055 in matte, and then FF843D, and then FFBE62 all in matte. Third toggle, position the Y to 0.65, Z 0.44, and scale it to 0.29. Grab this shell top from VIP in no pearls and color it this color, C8B9FF for everything. I think that's what I used. Then for the shoes, I just used some slippers here, the bunny ones. I know they're not exactly the same. I don't know if I can just find it. I was in codes, forgot. This one here and color it this pink color, FF75C1. And then for the leggings, just select no feet. I know it looks weird, but it doesn't look weird from the front. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.